This is Little Bird. I think we got some birds singing in the background. Ready? She's holding a tiny bird in her hands, so careful not to squeeze too tight. Her big dark eyes are full of wonder at the beating heart so full of life. She opens her hands and it flies away, but it doesn't fly too far. To another branch it leads her along. Now every bird she sees, she thinks it's the one, and she's standing on her toes and reaching for the sky. And you know, that's how she learned to fly. Catch her if you can, she'll slip right through your hands. She's a little bird in a great big world. She flies, she flies, she flies. Oh, she flies. She's got her pants tucked in her boots. Her cowboy hat is pulled down tight. Pay attention, girl, and keep your feet on the ground. But she just keeps going, never turning around. And she's standing on her toes and reaching for the sky. And you know, that's how she learned to fly. Catch her if you can, she'll slip right through your hands. She's a little bird in a great big world, and she flies, she flies, she flies. Oh, she flies. She's a summer breeze that comes out of nowhere, always catching me off guard. She makes me laugh at the funny side of life, and leads me wishing on a star. And she's standing on her toes and reaching for the sky. And you know, that's how she learned to fly. Catch her if you can, she'll slip right through your hands. She's a little bird in a great big world, and she flies, she flies, she flies. Oh, she flies.